Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Notepad is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is we need to open the Notepad through the run dialog. Normally how we open Notepad is we look for Notepad here and we will open it, or we will click it from we will open it from the shortcut. But if it doesn't open there, then we'll run it from the run dialog. So I'll press the Windows and the R key together and I'll type in the command Notepad and press enter, and it should open. If it doesn't open, then we need to reset and repair Notepad. So I will search for Notepad again and I will look for app settings here, and I will scroll down and click on repair until I get a check mark, and I will click on reset then until I get a check mark, and Notepad should start working. In the event that these two solutions don't work, then the only option is to uninstall and reinstall it. So we'll uninstall here, we'll click on uninstall and uninstall again, and then we will go to Windows Store, search for Notepad, Windows Notepad, and we will click on get, and it will automatically reinstall into your computer. Restart your computer and Notepad should be working just fine. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.